Hey guys, when it comes to wild game meat, one of the most popular things to do is to make sausages. So today we're going to be using some pre-made sausages to make smoked Black Bear Ragu. When it comes to making wild game sausages, some of the best meat you can use is black bear. Black bear generally has a little bit more fat content than your average wild game like venison. Here we have some black bear bratwurst sausages. Now generally, most people would cook sausages on the grill, and there's nothing wrong with that. They taste great. But to think outside of the box, do something a little different, we're going to be doing a smoked ragu. A ragu may sound difficult, but it's super simple to do. We have some vegetables here, onion, garlic, pepper, zucchini, we have some potatoes, and we have some herbs and seasoning. We have smoked paprika here, and then we have rosemary and salt and pepper. That's it. All we're gonna do is we're gonna cut all this stuff up. We're gonna put it in one pan, add some tomatoes, and then throw it on the smoker. You set it, you forget it, and it's gonna be delicious. Let's get to work. So we got all the vegetables cut up, and what I'm gonna do now is gonna add a little bit of char to the vegetables before we put all the other ingredients in. So I'm warmed up a dry cast iron pan. If I put oil in right now, it would fry it too much. So this dry cast iron pan's ready to go, and we're just gonna add in all these veggies. All we're looking to get is some char marks here and there. We'll let this cook for several minutes, stirring here and there until we get all the char that I'm looking for, and then we'll go into the next steps. And there you have it, smoked black bear sausage ragu. All we got left now to do is plate it up and dig in.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel.
And follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily original content from our adventures across Canada.